So today we are going to do Unit 3, Lesson 4. So we are learning about what are some animal life cycles. And today we are going to learn the life cycle of a butterfly, as you can see. And today's date is 7/10/2020. And the day is Wednesday. And the pages we'll be doing today 112, 113, and 114. So we are going to do 3 pages. So now let's move on. So today we are going to learn about the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. So it starts with an egg. So the life cycle of a monarch butterfly, it starts with an egg. We'll see in the detail. So it starts with an egg, then the caterpillar or the larva, and then the pupa, and then the last we have the adult butterfly. So let's see in the detail how the life cycle of the monarch butterfly is formed. Here, the first, you can see this is the small, tiny egg of the butterfly. So, how does the butterfly life cycle start? It starts with an egg. You have learned about the frog and also about the polar bear. So, what does the frog life cycle start? Yes, it also starts with egg. The same way, for the butterfly, it also starts with an egg. So now let's see. An adult butterfly lays a tiny egg. Now look, this is very small. It is very tiny. The egg is small and hard to see. It's very hard to see. You cannot see it when there is an egg in the leaf. It lives in the leaf. You cannot see because it is very tiny and small. So the egg of the butterfly, it is very tiny egg and it is very small and hard to see. So when the egg hatches, after some week, the egg hatches. And what do we get? We get a larva. What is it? Repeat after me. It's a larva or a caterpillar. What comes out from an egg? It's a larva or a young butterfly or a caterpillar. Hatches from the egg. Now you can see this is very tiny. Even the larva, it is very tiny in the beginning. Then the larva, it eats a lot. Because it eats a lot, so it grows quickly. When it comes out of the egg, it is very tiny. Because the egg is tiny, even the larva, the caterpillar, is very tiny, small. And later, it eats a lot because it wants to grow quickly. And why the egg is on the leaf? Because when it hatches and when there is a larva, it can get food. So it start eating the leaf. It eats a lot and grows quickly. And later, after it grows, you can see here, it turns into a pupa. It becomes a pupa. So larva becomes a pupa. It makes a hard covering. So this is the hard covering outside. It covers itself. So pupa goes through the metamorphosis. So what happens? It covers itself. The larva later covers itself, and inside it goes the process of metamorphosis. What is the process called metamorphosis? The changes. It grows, changes. Like inside it grows wings, it changes the colors, and also it changes the shape. And after some week, the pupa turns, and what comes out of it? You get a beautiful, colorful butterfly. We get an adult butterfly. So finally, there is an adult butterfly that comes out of the covering. So this is the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. This is the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. First, it starts with an egg. Repeat after me. It starts with an egg. Number 2, larva. Repeat after me. Larva or caterpillar. Larva or caterpillar. And the number 3 stage, it is called the pupa. What is it? Pupa. And number 4, it is the adult butterfly. It turns into an adult butterfly. So let me show you in more detail. Here, look at the egg and look at the leaf. Now you can see here the leaf. And look at the egg. It is so tiny. It's so small. Look, the white color here, you can see. This is the tiny egg on the leaf. So it's very hard to see. Look at the tiny eggs. Now this is, they have zoomed in. You can see the big. But here, it is too small. You cannot see it clearly. So the adult butterfly, it lays a tiny egg. So small egg. So that it is hard to see. So the first, it is egg. And then we have the larva. Now look, we have the larva here. This is the egg. So what comes out of the egg? The larva. It is hatching. Now look, there is a larva out of the egg. It eats the egg and then it comes out. It crawls out. And then you can see the green color here. This is the leaf. It starts eating the leaf. And slowly it starts growing. As you can see here, it is eating the leaf. It eats a lot and then it grows quickly. So it hatches from the egg, comes out and starts eating. And as it eats, it grows quickly. So this is a tiny larva or a caterpillar, hatches from the egg, and the larva eats a lot and grows quickly. So now you know how the egg hatches and we get a caterpillar or a larva. Now, number 3, the next stage we have the pupa. Now look at the caterpillar, what happens to it? Look here, it is building a covering. That's covering, it is called the pupa, the green color covering. It covers itself, as you can see here in the pictures. Look, it is covering itself. Now, after eating a lot, it grew up. Now, it is covering itself with a green hard covering. It is called the pupa. As you can see, this is the last stage of the pupa. It has the green covering. Now, inside this pupa, you can see here in this picture that what is the process of metamorphosis. Now, inside the pupa, it grows wings and changes the color and also the shape. As you can see, what happens inside the pupa. The caterpillar, now it builds a pupa around it, the green color, hard covering. And later, there is a changes. There is metamorphosis, changes inside the pupa. It grows wings, it changes the colors and also the shape. So at last, after all this, we have an adult beautiful butterfly. Now look what comes out of the pupa. When the pupa is all grown up, it changes and look, we have a beautiful butterfly. How the butterfly, it comes out of the pupa. And now this butterfly, it can have its own young. Now again, this butterfly can lay eggs and then it can have a larva or a caterpillar. Then again, the caterpillar will eat a lot and have its pupa. And again, the pupa will become into a butterfly. So this is the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. So now did you understand how the life cycle of a butterfly takes place? Yes, very good. So now let's see a video. Now this is the leaf and this is the egg. Look how small it is, how tiny it is. Now look how it hatches, how the larva, it comes out of the egg. It starts eating the egg first and then it comes out. Now it starts eating the egg also because it's very hungry. And also it starts eating the leaf. Now look, it's eating the leaf because it wants to grow quickly. Now it has become a caterpillar. The larva has changed into a caterpillar. It has grown up. Now it's changing to pupa. So larva changes into pupa. Now it's building a hard covering. Now look, there is a green hard covering. It's covered itself with a pupa. And inside the pupa, it goes the process of metamorphosis. This is a pupa. Now it's fully covered. Now look what happens inside. There is metamorphosis. After a few weeks, now we have a beautiful butterfly. The adult butterfly. Finally, it is ready to fly and lay its own egg. So this was the life cycle of a beautiful butterfly, monarch butterfly. So let's move on to your page number 112. Open, everyone. Why do you think a butterfly egg is so small? The question is here, why do you think a butterfly egg is so small? So let me tell you the answer. Because a butterfly is small, so it lays a small egg. Now you know how big is the butterfly. It is small, right? So the small butterfly lays a small egg. So write the answer here. Because the butterfly is small, so the egg is small. So write the answer. A butterfly is small, so it lays small egg. Small eggs. This is the answer. So why do you think a butterfly egg is so small? Because a butterfly is small, so it lays small eggs. Yes, very good, Jude and Abdullah. Very good. Yes, it is the correct answer. Because the butterfly is small, so it lays a small egg. So write it, everyone. So page 113, we have the number 2. After the egg, what do we get? What comes out of the egg? We have the larva. So as the egg is tiny, even the larva is tiny. It is the same size of the egg. The larva is also tiny. So a tiny larva or a caterpillar hatches from the egg. So underline this. A tiny larva or a caterpillar hatches from the egg. So as the egg is small and tiny, the same way we have the larva, it is also tiny. Then a caterpillar is a young butterfly. So what is the name of the young butterfly here? It is called the caterpillar or the larva. So now larva eats a lot. So it eats a lot and grows quickly. So underline all of it. A tiny larva or a caterpillar, it hatches from the egg, and the caterpillar, it is the young butterfly, and the larva, it eats a lot and grows quickly. You have seen in the video how it eats lots of leaves and it grows quickly. And the next stage, number 3, then the larva stops. So larva stops eating and moving, and it changes into, the larva becomes a pupa. So underline number 3, the larva becomes a pupa. Then it makes a hard covering. It builds a hard covering. Then a pupa goes to the metamorphosis. So how the pupa changes? Now it goes through the metamorphosis inside the covering. So what are the changes? It grows wings and many other changes also happen. So just underline, it grows wings. And you all know that it changes colors and also shape inside the pupa. So the first, it is egg. It turns into a larva or a caterpillar. It eats and grows, and then you get the pupa. pupa is the outer covering, which is hard. And inside the pupa, there is metamorphosis. There is lots of changes. And after all this process, the last one, the finally, we have the adult butterfly. Number 4 is adult butterfly. So finally, an adult butterfly comes out of the covering. Now it can have its own young. Now it can lay eggs because it is an adult butterfly. Now there is an active reading. Now, clue words can help you find the order of the events. Now you know what comes the next. Like the first one is the egg and then the larva. So the same way we have here, step by step, one after the other process. Draw a box around the clue words then and finally. So where is the word then and finally here? Look at number 3. We have then. So circle the word then. These are the clue that what step comes after the other. What step comes the next. Then, and the last one is the finally. Finally means the last stage. So after we finish this, let's move on to page number 114. So page number 14, we have 114, we have sum it up, mark it. Draw an X on the animal that does not look like it's young. So now which are the animals which does not look like its parents? So which are the animals here? We have the first one is the cat that does not look like it's young. So cat, it looks like the young. Yes, the kitten and the cat, they look the same. Yes. And also the hen, we have the chick. What comes out of the egg? The chick. Chick is also the same like the hen. So even it looks the same. Now we have the fish. Fishes lay eggs in the water. So when it hatches, we have the small fishes. As you have seen the young trots. So now is the frog. So the frog, the adult frog and the young frog, what is it called? It is called the tadpole. You have learned it. It is called the tadpole. Does it look the same? No, because the tadpole, what does it have? It has a long tail. So the frog and the tadpole, they don't look same. The young frog and the adult frog, they don't look the same. So let's mark an X on the frog. So this is the animal that does not look like its young one. Now question number 2, draw a picture of this animal mother. Now I have a picture here. So what is this picture? Is it a tadpole? No, very good, Jude. It is not a tadpole. So what is it? It's a caterpillar or a larva. So what is the mother of this caterpillar or a larva? Is it a hen? Is it a cat? Is it a fish? No, you have studied today. It is a butterfly. So let's draw a butterfly. So who is the mother of the caterpillar or the larva? Yes, very good. It is the butterfly. Very good, Abdullah. So let's draw a butterfly. Draw the butterfly.